This tutorial will show you how to set up your categories at the very beginning of the year. To do that, you'll log on to Skyward, go to Teacher Access, My Gradebook, select a class, locate the Categories tab. If this is the first time you're in, everything will be selected. If you've been in previously, you will have only those that were selected before. I'm going to start off with Change Score Method. On the Change Score Method, you have two choices. You can use total points to calculate your grades. That way everything goes in a pot. Add everything up, divide by however many they calculated. Base score on percents assigned to categories. You'll also hear that as weighted categories. If you use weighted categories, be careful when you're using those. If you don't use a category, that will be carried over to another one. I'm going to start off by using total points. Click Save. Now I'm going to come over here and add or edit categories. And I'm going to have homework selected, quiz selected, and test selected. Those are the only three categories that I want to use. I'll hit Save. If I would like to use these categories for other classes, I'm going to click. Then I would come back and I would also select any other class that I would want to use those same categories. Once I choose that, I'm going to hit Save. I'm going to go back in and I'm going to show you the different weighted categories. So I'm going to go to Change Score Method. This time I'm going to base grades on percents assigned to the categories. I will hit Save. Now notice right now everything's 0. This needs to add up to 100. So I need to come back and hit Add and Edit Categories. Now I need to assign percentages to the three categories that I'm using. They must add up to 100%. So I'm going to choose 25 on this one. My quizzes, I've decided, are going to be 30. Now notice I'm at 55, so I need to have, maybe I want 40% here. Tab, notice I'm at 95%. I cannot stop there. I need to make sure they add up to 100. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to change my homework to 30. So now you'll notice that my modified percent allocated is 100%. You must have that. Once I've selected, and this is 100%, I can click Save. So one thing I cannot emphasize enough, whatever you choose at the beginning of the year or the beginning of a semester, you must stay with that. If it's a one semester course, you can change it at semester. If it's a full year course, Algebra 1, Algebra 2, U.S. History, then you must select it and keep it for the entire year. You cannot change your score method. You cannot change your percentages if you choose weighted scores. If you need any additional help, try to contact somebody on your campus in setting these up. Thanks for watching.